Want to lose weight without having to sweat your shirt to the exercises? This is possible with dietary re-education. Want to know how? Stay in the video until the end that I will show you how you can lose weight, and in the end, I will tell you a recipe that will help you a lot. After watching the video, in the description has a link, take a look, that can also help you. Re-education is done through the consumption of healthy foods such as fruits, vegetables, and whole foods. In addition, the person must eat every 3 hours, in adequate amounts. During the weight loss process, water intake is very important, as it has the function of hydrating the body and preventing the accumulation of fluid in the body. For this reason, it is necessary for the person to consume around 8 glasses of water during the day. In a 37-year-old woman who wants to lose between 5 and 7 kilos, it is likely that she will reach her goal in about 5 months, as the elimination of weight is gradual and slow. If the woman does any physical activity, this elimination happens in less than 5 months, because healthy weight loss is the elimination of 1 to 2 pounds per month. Number 1. Eat at least 3 meals, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and 2 healthy snacks a day. Don't skip meals. Number 2. Avoid soft drinks and industrialized juices, cakes, sweet and stuffed cookies, desserts and other goodies. Number 3. Eat greens and vegetables as part of meals and fruits for dessert and snacks. Number 4. Eat beans and rice every day, or at least 5 times a week. This Brazilian dish is a complete combination of proteins necessary for health. Number 5. Consume a maximum of 1 serving a day of vegetable oils, olive oil, butter or daisy. Pay attention to food labels and choose those with the lowest amounts of trans fats. Number 6. Consume meats, poultry, fish or eggs daily, and also milk and dairy products. In addition, remove the apparent fat from meat and the skin of birds before preparation, so you make these foods healthier. Ultimate powder. Give preference to whole grains and foods in their most natural form. A recipe for weight loss. Apple juice with ginger. Ursolic acid in apple peel helps to burn calories, and when taken with ginger it can increase metabolism by about 20%, which facilitates fat burning. How to do it? Put an apple with peel and 5 grams of ginger in a blender and beat well. When to take? This juice can be drunk on an empty stomach or before meals, because the apple has fibers that will help to decrease appetite and eat less at mealtime. Subscribe to the channel and leave the like.